Ioannis Pitas, Aristotle University of Thessaloniki, and chair of the AI Doctoral Academy. We live in revolutionary times when it comes to education, because the impact of AI is already huge and we feel it in every sector, from computer science to medicine to liberal studies, and we need to revamp the entire education system. For example, by creating departments and undergraduate programs that are specialized on AI, and also by redesigning almost every discipline at university level towards integrating AI, computer science, and mathematical concepts. Also, there is a very big impact on high school education, because we have to educate people to use these new tools and to know how to combat disinformation, because AI has double characteristics. It can be a blessing, but it can be a curse if it's used in an unregulated and bad way.